Prepare a truck account, Bharat Limited account, interest account and depreciation account in the books of United Transport Limited, and repurchase truck account in the books of Bharat Limited. First year down payment 2,20,000, no interest is there. First installment, this is the beginning of the year, end of the year 2,20,000. Books of Unit Transport truck 10 lakh, by depreciation 10 lakh rupees, 1 lakh, 9 lakh, 9 lakh rupees, by depreciation 90,000. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to have Financial Accounting 2 of BCom, second semester, Unit 6, Session 4, in favor of hire purchase accounting. Today, I am going to deal what is hire purchasing, what is the reposition, how to take back if by chance, if the hire purchaser fails to pay any one of the installment, the hire seller has a power. What is actually, I will tell you, there are two parties in hire purchase system. One is called the hire seller, another is called the hire purchaser. So whatever the asset they purchase by hire purchaser, he will pay the down payment. The balance in 3 installment or 4 installment. If he pays the first installment, fails to pay the third installment, a notice will be given by hire seller to hire purchaser. If the hire purchaser fails to pay that installment, the hire seller has got a power to take back the goods. That is called the reposition, which I am going to deal now. This is a problem. I go very slowly now. The United Transport Limited acquired 5 trucks on hire purchase system on 1/4/2017 from Bharat Limited. The cash price of each truck was being 2 lakh. How many trucks? 5 trucks. Each truck is being 2 lakh. The price was payable in 5 installment of 44,000. 44,000 every year. 5 trucks on hire purchase, the cash price of each truck is 2 lakh. The price was payable in 5 installment of 44,000 every year. The first being paid on signing the contract, and the installment include interest charge at 5% per annum. The United Transport Limited decided to provide depreciation at 10% per annum, calculated on the diminishing balance method. It paid the installment due at the end of the first year but could not pay the next. Bharat Limited agreed to leave 2 trucks with a hire purchaser, adjusting the value of the other Tuesday against the amount due. The trucks were valued by Bharat Limited on the basis of 20% depreciation on diminishing balance method annually. The hire vendor spent rupees 16,000 on getting 3 trucks thoroughly overhauled and sold them for 3,52,000. Prepare a truck account, Bharat Limited account, interest account and depreciation account in the books of United Transport Limited, and repurchase truck account in the books of Bharat Limited. One in the books of hire purchaser, one in the books of hire seller. Calculation of including the interest. So total cost price, 5 trucks each costing 2 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. Down payment, the price was payable in 5 installments, 44,000 every year, 2,20,000, 2,20,000 paid. So down payment, no interest is there. Then come back here, 7,80,000. Every year how much he pays? 2,20,000, 7,80,000. Interest 5%, 39,000. 2,20,000 minus 39 is 1,81,000. Out of 7,81,000, deduct 1,81,000. What's the balance comes over here? This is the balance. 5,99,000. Once again, 2,20,000. 5,99,000 into 5 by 100, 29,950. Deduct from this 1,90,050. This is the balance. 4,08,950. 2,20,000 every year. 4,08,955 by 100 into 20,000, 448. Deduct this out of this 1,99,52. Last year 2,09,398, 2,20,000. Interest he has to pay. How much this amount he has to pay? To clear off 2,09,000, difference is the interest. 2,20,000 minus 2 lakh, it comes to 10,602, interest nil. Last year, don't calculate whatever the difference. What is the amount to be clear of? 2,09,398. What's the by every year? How much he has to pay? 2,20,000. So how much he has to clear off? 2,09,398. Whatever the difference comes, the difference we got as the interest. First year, down payment 2,20,000, no interest is there. First installment, this is the beginning of the year. End of the year, 2,20,000. 7,80,000 into 5 by 100, 39,000. Deduct this 1,81,000. Balance is 5,99,000. 2,20,000, 5,95,000 by 100 is 29. Deduct 1,90,050. Last year, 2,09,398 here. He has to pay this amount, 2,20,000. What's the installment money? 2 lakh. 2,20,000 minus 2,09,398. Difference is 10,602. Calculation value of tree repossessed. Cost price of the 3 trucks, 6 lakh. 2 lakh into 3. This is 2 lakh into 3 trucks, 6 lakh. Less depreciation agreed on first year, 20%, 1,20,000. Balance is 4,80,000. Division for the second year, 20% on this, 96,000. This is the value at the end, 3,84,000. Calculate value of the 2 trucks left with the buyer. Here taken left with the buyer. Cost price is 2 truck, 4 lakh rupees. Less depreciation charge first year, 10%, 40. Second year, third, 3,24,000. So difference is, come back here, this 3,24,000 left over, 3,84,000. Books of unit transfer truck, 10 lakh, by depreciation 10 lakh rupees, 1 lakh, 9 lakh, 9 lakh rupees, by depreciation 90,000. Bharat Limited is taken over, 3,84,000. This is Bharat Limited, 3,84,000. Loss on reposition, this is 3,84,000 plus 102, 3,84,000. 10 lakh rupees, 9 lakh balance. By division 94,000. By Bharat Limited, 3,84,000. So the cost of the truck is 10 lakh. Depreciation is 1 lakh. Balance is 9 lakh. 9 lakh. Depreciation is 90,000. It is take what's called the hire seller take back the trade tax at what value? 3,84,000. This is important. How much retained with the hire purchaser truck value is 3,22,000. Difference is 1,02,000 is the loss. How it will come? It will show you. Your balance is 9 lakh. Balance 9 lakh minus depreciation 90,000. It becomes 8,10,000. Then repossessed 3,84,000. It is taken by here is 3,84,000. Repossessed 3,84,000. This one deduct 0,006. 4,26,000. Retained by purchaser. Retained by purchaser 3,24,000. 0, 2, 0. 1,02,000. Loss on reposition. Loss. How it is? Second beginning 9 lakh, division is 90,000, balance is 8,10,000. Repossessed by hire seller, 3 trucks value 3,84,000, balance is to 4,26,000. How much retained by purchaser is 2 trucks, 3,24,000. Difference is 1,02,000. Loss on reposition. This one balance brought down 90,000, 3,84,000, retained by the purchaser 3,24,000, difference is 1,02,000. So loss balance, then if balance carried forward is next one. Then come back here. Bharat Limited, truck account data to Bharat Limited 10 lakh. He paid the down payment 2,20,000, first installment 2,20,000. Here interest we already calculated as per the working note. 5,99,000, balance is 5 lakh. The interest for this is 29,950. Then he repossessed the truck this year, second year, at the end of the year by high sir 3,84,000. How much balance after over 2,44,950? Then interest account transfer entry, interest to high seller by profit and loss account, interest to high seller by profit and loss. So just a transfer entry. Interest to high seller by P&L account, interest to high seller by profit loss account. Depreciation account to asset account by P&L account, depreciation to asset account by profit and loss account. Just transfer entries. Come back in the books of high seller. He makes a sale for 10 lakh. He received the down payment. He received the first installment. So balance 5,99,000. 5,99,000. He repossessed truck at what value? 3,84,000. Interest you have calculated. He repossessed that value 3,84,000. This is a value taken by higher seller. If you open the repossessed truck account, he took from the hire purchase what value? 3,84,000 and spent how much money? 16,000 become 4 lakh. But he sold the truck for 3,52,000 at a loss of 48,000. I will repeat. The seller took over at what value? 3,84,000 and spent how much money? 16,000. It become 4 lakh. He sold the truck for how much money? 3,52,000 at a loss of 48,000. Hope you understand this. So this is called repossession here. How many trucks taken over? How much retained by the purchase? That difference is the loss. Once he took the truck, he will make the repairs and sold the truck. Maybe higher value is the profit, lower value is the loss. Hope you understand. One problem may come from the examination point of view because they have got high purchase, they have got the reposition. So we solve the high purchase also, we solve the reposition also. So in the next session, we'll have some more problem revision. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.